I'm gonna walk down Third Avenue and see what we see. Welcome to Gary's Tours. It's a beautiful spring day in New York City. It's currently about 80 degrees. Last week it was freezing. This week it's warm and beautiful. These gardens
Yeah,
good.
that's true, but I work at 4:30.
So if someone steals something all the way up and down, he can jump out and grab them. How about that? They sell a lot of stuff in the streets there, it looks like. Everything on demand. Backpacks, duffel bags, inexpensive prices. Lots of Chinese imported merchandise, no doubt. Wow, street vendors galore here. Everything's for sale. Why pay retail? Everything's for sale on Third Avenue, that's for sure. Sweaters, 99 cents. Those are housing projects over there. Rent is more affordable though. On this road, years ago, there was an elevated subway, 3rd Avenue L. They got rid of it and put it underground. It's no longer here. There's lots and lots to see and do in New York. Never get tired of it. A lot of stuff to sell here. Strong smell of marijuana here. On 3rd Street. More stuff to sell. Now you know where to come to buy stuff. If you want sweaters, shirts, and souvenirs. When you come to New York, come to 3rd Avenue. Around 100th Street. Everything's for sale here. Look at that, diagonal on-street parking. You don't see that too much in New York either. It's a residential community. You know, there's the housing projects across the street, some of the largest in New York City. You can tell they're housing projects, they're all the same look. Same shades, no air conditioners. And this is the 23rd precinct, right near the housing project. I'm sorry, yeah. Right next to Ladder Company 43. Fire department. They often do that, build them together. Police and fire. And we're getting, I think we're in a hospital district too. Glad I didn't bring a winter coat. I brought my winter coat. It was cold this morning when I left my house. It was 45 degrees. Got here, it was like 65. I said, well, maybe I'll wear it. Maybe I'm glad I didn't wear it. I've been dying by now. So the corner boys will be out. Drug sales will start full throttle here.
Well, this guy here, he's at the mosque too.
You're gonna back up so you can go. Yeah, just back them up.
You think it's gonna come out?
Must be a Muslim church here, or mosque. And across this is some sort of Christian church. Right across the street, church. How about that? Lots of double parking. Looks like you can get away with double parking up here pretty well, I'd say. Nobody's gonna stop you. A lot different walking around here than Fifth Avenue. If you do other videos where we walk up and down Fifth Avenue. Express Browns, they love those here. Waiting for the light to change. I wonder when some of these buildings were built. Like this building, look at this building. It's the MTA building. I've never seen cars parked this way in New York before. Manhattan. That's the new sound police sirens in New York make. I think it's supposed to be easier to hear. And traffic so this and even the odd streets are going east. Even streets are going east. West, I should say. Guess I'm getting tired. Well, Gary's Tour fans, if you like walking around New York City like this, hit that red subscribe button down in the lower right corner of the screen. And if you know that it's free, and you're just notified of additional videos that come out. We publish 3 videos a week, every Friday, every Wednesday, every Monday. We're sponsoring a tour to Ireland in April 2026. There'll be further information coming about that. It's either a 9-day tour, or you can maybe add another 7 days on and make it a 16-day tour. Well, Gary's Tour fans, it's springtime in New York. Thank you for watching. Subscribe and like, please, if you liked the video. Bye.